Welcome. In front of me is an INFINIX Hot 50 Pro, and today I will show you how we can insert SIM and SD card into this device. So, to get started, you will want to grab a SIM eject tool similar to this one, which comes provided with the device in the box. But if you can't find it, you could also use a paperclip, extend one on the ends, and it should work just as well. Now once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray, which is located on the... just take that off. It's located on the top left side of the device, right over here. So grabbing the little tool or paperclip, you want to push that thing in. And you can see that the tray pops out. Now here we do need to push it very firmly. And this is kind of like not coming out super easily, so yank it out once it pops out just a bit. Now on the tray you will have space for 2 dedicated SIM cards and 1 dedicated SD card. When it comes down to SIM cards, obviously you can utilize either one of those trays or both, it doesn't really matter. So from there we're gonna pop in. There we go, pop back in our tray, and you can see that this automatically starts to read the card, and it's telling me that I need to put in my SIM card pin. Once I do so, this will obviously unlock my SIM card. So SIM card is working and the SD card should be working as well, which you can see right here based on the notification. So there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.